everyone. Welcome to the class application of BIM technology. Revit provides the ability to create a walkthrough. In this lesson, we will focus on the creation and export of walkthrough. The main knowledge points involved are the creation of walkthrough paths, edit walkthrough paths, edit walkthrough frame, edit walkthrough playback, export the walkthrough.
This is the walkthrough of the dormitory. We opened the project file, the site of the dormitory. Currently, we are in the site floor plan view. Select view, select walkthrough below 3D view. This activity is the walkthrough tool. In the option bars, check perspective, enter offset 1750 from first floor. Next, draw the walkthrough path. After the walkthrough path is created, in the project browser, you can find the newly created walkthrough view under the walkthrough. Double-click to open this walkthrough. Enter WT to tile the walkthrough view and the site floor plan view. Select the current view box. In the Modify Carries, click Edit Walkthrough. Select Reset Cameras. On the option bars, it shows that the entire walkthrough path has 300 frames. You can select Active Camera to modify by entering the number of frames, for example 150. At this point, we'll find that the camera symbol has retreated to frame 150. You can edit the range of the camera by pushing and pulling the control points at the front of the camera triangle. You can also press and hold the center orange to change the position of the camera. At the same time, you can see the displayed image in the walkthrough path. On the option bar, change the active to path. You can modify the walkthrough path by dragging the position of the keyframe. These keyframes can be dragged from the menu under to select End Keyframe. You can add keyframe along the exciting path. New keyframes can be used for further refinement and modification of the path. Of course, you can also remove keyframe. Delete one or more exciting keyframes. Note, adding keyframe cannot be used to extend the path, therefore keyframe cannot be added outside the exciting path. We can change the position of the camera to consistently adjust the visible range of the view. Change it to active camera. Each keyframe can adjust its view visible range separately. Drag camera so that each keyframe adjusts its view range. Next, we click Modify Camera's Edit Walkthrough. Click Frame Settings on the option bar. Enter to the Walkthrough Frames dialog box. Here you can modify the number of total frames of the walkthrough and control the speed of the walkthrough. If you check uniform speed, you can set the average speed by how many frames per second. If you do not check uniform speed, you can control the speed of each keyframe directly. The speed can also be set by accelerator, and its effective range is 0.1 to 10. In order to better grasp the camera position along the path, you can be checked indicator. After apply, you can see that there is an increment of frames between keyframes with a default of 5. If you want to reduce the density of the camera indicator, the increment of the needle can be adjusted a little larger. Apply. Click OK. Because it is not intuitive enough to edit walkthrough in plan view, when editing a walkthrough, you can also review the walkthrough effect by playing editing. Here we can edit it through keyframes first. Each keyframe can be adjusted separately. By looking at the walkthrough pictures, you can also adjust separately through frame increments. The previous frame and the next frame. After the adjustment is completed, you can click Play. We can set the frame to the first frame. Then change the layer style to realistic. And then select Play. The playback speed in the realistic may be slower due to the influence of hardware. After walkthrough editing is finished, you can choose to export it to video file or picture. Select File, Export, Images and Animation, Walkthrough. Go to the Lens Format dialog box. You can choose to export the all frames. You can also set the frame range. In the Lens format, you can also set the layer style and whether to include time and date stamp. After all the settings are completed, click OK. Select the walkthrough of the dormitory. Of course, you can also export it to image. In this way, we have completed the creation and export the dormitory.
Everyone, that's all for today's class. See you.